So here's how to design an ebook cover in Canva. Also, if you want to get all the features of Canva, click on my link down in the description to get Canva Pro. So first of all, open up your web browser and go to canva.com. And as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. After that, you need to click on the search bar over here and then type in and search for ebook. So here, you'll get to see a lot of ebook templates. So scroll through and select the one that you like. I will go with this one. Then, click on the option that says Customize the template. Now, wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, click on the title. After that, click on the font style on the top left. Now you will get to see all the available fonts on the left side. Select the one that you want. This way, you can select whichever part of the template that you want and edit them according to your preference. And that is exactly how you can design an ebook cover in Canva. Don't forget to click my link in the description if you want to get Canva Pro to access all the features of Canva. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.